Hey there, travel enthusiasts! Today, we're taking a virtual journey to the stunning Dreams Tulum Resort and Spa in Mexico. Nestled along the pristine coastline of the Riviera Maya, this AAA Four Diamond resort is a tropical paradise that seamlessly blends luxury with natural beauty. So, grab your imaginary margarita, and let's dive into what makes this place so special. Let's start with the accommodations, shall we? Dreams Tulum boasts 432 elegant rooms and suites that are designed to transport you to Old Mexico while providing all the modern comforts you could desire. Picture yourself waking up in a spacious deluxe room with ocean views, where traditional Mexican decor meets contemporary amenities. You'll find yourself surrounded by warm earth tones and colorful textiles that reflect the rich local culture. And let's not forget about those balconies, perfect for sipping your morning coffee while gazing at the turquoise Caribbean Sea. For those looking to upgrade their experience, the preferred club suites offer a touch of extra luxury. These larger suites come with perks like private check-in and check-out, access to an exclusive lounge, and little touches like bathrobes and slippers that make you feel like royalty. And if you're traveling with the whole clan, the family suites are a godsend. With 2 bedrooms and plenty of space to spread out, they're like a home away from home. If your home happened to be in a tropical paradise, that is. Now, let's talk about one of the most important aspects of any vacation: the food. Dreams Tulum doesn't mess around when it comes to dining options. With 16 restaurants and bars, you could eat at a different place every day for over 2 weeks and never get bored. Fancy some traditional Mexican cuisine? El Patio has got you covered with dishes like cochinita pibil that'll make your taste buds do the cha-cha. Craving some fresh seafood? Head to the Seaside Grill, where you can feast on grilled lobster tails and ceviche while wiggling your toes in the sand. But wait, there's more. The World Cafe offers an international buffet for those days when you just can't decide what cuisine you're in the mood for. And let's not forget about the specialty restaurants serving up everything from Italian trattoria fare to Asian fusion sushi. The best part? No reservations required. It's all part of their unlimited luxury concept, which means you can eat what you want when you want. Just try not to roll yourself back to your room at the end of the night. And what's a tropical vacation without some quality pool and beach time? Dreams Tulum doesn't disappoint in this department either. The resort features several pools, including a large outdoor infinity pool that seems to melt right into the ocean. It's the perfect spot for those Instagram-worthy shots that'll make your friends back home green with envy. For the grown-ups looking for a bit more peace and quiet, there's an adults-only pool area where you can escape the splash wars and cannonball contests. But let's be real. The real star of the show is that gorgeous white sand beach stretching along the property's coastline. It's a kind of beach that makes you want to write cheesy poetry about turquoise waters and golden sands. And the best part? You don't have to lift a finger if you don't want to. Attentive beach staff are on hand to bring you drinks, set up your lounger, or help you arrange water sports like snorkeling and kayaking. It's like having your own personal beach butler. Now that's living the dream. For those who like to stay active on vacation, hey, no judgment here. Dreams Tulum has got you covered. The fitness center is equipped with all the cardio machines and free weights you need to work off those poolside pina coladas. And if you're into more zen-like activities, why not join a yoga class on the beach? There's something magical about doing sun salutations while actually watching the sun rise over the Caribbean. Now let's talk about pampering, because, let's face it, that's what vacations are really all about. The spa at Dreams Tulum is a sanctuary of relaxation that'll have you saying, ah, in no time. Treat yourself to a hydrotherapy session, indulge in a couple's massage, or get wrapped up like a human burrito in one of their body treatments. With sauna and steam room facilities and tranquil relaxation lounges, you might find yourself spending more time here than at the beach. And that's saying something. For families traveling with little ones, Dreams Tulum is like a kid's paradise come to life. The Explorers Club runs supervised activities daily for children aged 3 to 12, keeping them entertained with crafts, games, and adventures. Meanwhile, teens can hang out at the Core Zone, a cool lounge space where they can play video games, make new friends, and pretend they're not related to their embarrassing parents. It's a win-win for everyone. Kids have a blast, and parents get some much-needed alone time. Just don't be surprised if your kids start asking to move to Mexico permanently. One of the coolest things about Dreams Tulum is its location near some of the most incredible attractions in the Riviera Maya. Just a short drive away, you'll find the ancient Mayan ruins of Tulum. These well-preserved structures perched on a cliff overlooking the Caribbean are a must-see. It's like stepping back in time, but with better swimwear options. For the adventure seekers, Xel-Ha Natural Aquapark is nearby, offering a day full of snorkeling, zip-lining, and general water-based tomfoolery. If you're in the mood for some retail therapy or want to sample the local cuisine beyond the resort, the eco-chic downtown area of Tulum is just a quick taxi ride away. Here, you can shop for handmade crafts, sip on artisanal mezcal, or dine at one of the many trendy restaurants that have made Tulum a foodie hotspot. Just remember to save room for dinner back at the resort. You've got 16 restaurants to work your way through, after all. Now let's talk about what really makes Dreams Tulum stand out from the crowd. First off, its location is pretty hard to beat. Where else can you lounge on a pristine beach, explore ancient ruins, and dance the night away in a trendy beach town all in the same day? The resort's commitment to blending luxury with local culture is evident in everything from the decor to the activities offered. And let's not forget about that unlimited luxury concept. It's like an all-inclusive on steroids, but in a good way. For those looking to tie the knot or celebrate a special occasion, Dreams Tulum offers some pretty spectacular event facilities. Imagine saying "I do" with the Caribbean as your backdrop or hosting a corporate retreat that your employees will actually want to attend. The resort's event planners are pros at creating memorable experiences, whether you're planning an intimate gathering or a full-blown fiesta. But perhaps what really sets Dreams Tulum apart are the little touches that create lasting memories. Like the time a guest mentioned it was their birthday, and the staff surprised them with a cake and a serenade at dinner. Or the couple who returned to find their room decorated with rose petals and champagne on their anniversary. It's these personalized moments that turn a good vacation into an unforgettable one. Of course, no review would be complete without mentioning a few areas where there might be room for improvement. Some guests have noted that the food quality can be a bit hit or miss across the various restaurants, which is not uncommon for large resorts. Others have mentioned that the poolside bars can get a bit crowded during peak times, leading to slower service. But hey, you're on vacation. What's the rush, right? All in all, Dreams Tulum Resort and Spa offers a pretty dreamy escape, pun absolutely intended, for travelers looking to experience the best of the Riviera Maya. With its stunning location, diverse amenities, and commitment to creating memorable experiences, it's no wonder that guests keep coming back year after year. Whether you're a honeymooning couple, a family looking for kid-friendly fun, or just someone in desperate need of some vitamin C, Dreams Tulum has something for everyone. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.